are you taking these crayons?
I'll find the crayons in the bin.
Why?
Because they're all old and broken.
No, I think there is something we can do about it. I will show you.
Okay.
Hi.
Hi everyone.
Now we're gonna turn these crayons
To what?
to what? I don't know.
We'll
We will
see.
see. So first we need to remove all paper from these crayons.
Oh, paper. That's easy. We finished.
And we take all paper of crayons off. Now we will need to break them in small pieces.
Oh my god, it's going to take forever.
You will need baking tray. And let's
Put them in.
yeah,
Okay, so this one can't break. So
and make them like rainbow colors. Mix them together.
I'll do pink.
More tiny pieces. So instead putting crayons in a bin, we can give them a second life.
Ooh.
Yeah. Let's put them in an oven.
Yeah.
We have done our crayons. Wow, look at these colors. Show me yours. Yeah. Look, do you wanna now try to color with them?
Yeah.
Yeah.